Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin location or share your location with your contact on WhatsApp. The first thing you need to do is to enable your location. So swipe your screen and under location, tap on it to be on. Go ahead and open your WhatsApp and find the contact or the person you want to share your location with. Once you have identified the person or the contact, click on the contact. I want to share my location with this person. To do so, go ahead and click the share icon at the lower right, and from here you can see the location button. Click on it. Now once you have clicked on it, you will have an option to send your location, your current location, to anyone. So here you have an option where you can send your location. If you want to share the exact location where you are, just simply hit on send your current location and it will be sent to the person or to the group you wanted to share your location with. Alternatively, you can share a location that is far from where you are. To do so, go ahead again and hit on location and then let Google Maps fetch the nearest places that you want. For instance, I want to share the location of Imani Workshops. To do so, just click on the place you want to share and then the information will be sent to the person. Now when the person receives this information, they can simply tap on it and Google Maps will give them the direction towards that place from where they are. And when they hit direction, you can see here the direction information has been fetched. As you can see, it is this stretch from here to here. To start using the direction that you have shared, you can as well just tap on start. And as you can see, this is just a 1 minute walk from where I am, and I can just walk towards it. By following these simple steps, you can share your location or any location with any contact person in your WhatsApp. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.